Alright, I'm going to tip this. This is Peter Kane classic assembly. He uses the kings because he believes that the kings contrast better with the cards, which I agree with him. So I'm going to perform this real quick and show you what it looks like, and then I'll tip it. Okay. So we have here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 kings, right? We're going to set the kings down, just like so. Okay. And then you have them name a number 1 through 4. Let's say they named the number 2, so you count 1, 2. Say this will be the leader here. Now we're going to place some cards on top of the guys here. Okay. I'm just going to place these on the top. Now, here's the effect. You take the other kings, place in one pile. 1, 2, 3, make the snap. And that's right, all the cards vanish, leaving just 4 kings. Now that's a nice little, I'll tell you why I like this.